Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today I'm going to be doing a face-off collab with Gimme Lip More here on YouTube. I'm super excited to collaborate with her. Just so you know, a face-off collab is where I and another creator, it doesn't have to be me and another creator, you could do one on your own, use the same eyeshadow palette, the same shades in that palette, and we each create our own unique look. The purpose of this is to show that each creator has a unique way to apply eyeshadows as well as a unique way to kind of play with color, and just to show how makeup looks differently on each face and things like that. So that is why I do this. We are going to be using the Afrique by Juvia's Place. The shades that we have selected to use are going to be Côte d'Ivory, I butcher that one every time, Niger, Bintu, Angelique, and Fifi. And I'm super excited to do this. If you guys would go check out her channel, I will have her channel as well as her video linked down below. She is somebody who absolutely loves lipsticks. I saw her do a video with Annette's Makeup Corner where they were talking about lipsticks in it, and she is someone who absolutely loves lipsticks. She also does dupe it, don't buy it videos, which I absolutely love because I'm somebody who needs to do more duping and less buying. She has a wide variety of things that she does on her channel, so I do highly recommend going to check her out, and you'll have to let her know I sent you if you do go check her out. Well, we're gonna go ahead and get started. The first color I'm gonna go into is Niger, this beautiful green color. And I have a white sticky base on today. I just used my NYX Jumbo pencil in Milk for this. And I'm taking this on kind of a flat, kind of fluffy brush. It's gonna really help me put this exactly where I want it to. In the beginning, I'm just gonna pack it on and then I will be blending it out. I'm going to take this Wet n Wild fluffy crease brush and I'm going to use it to kind of blend and soften the edges here. Okay, the next shade I'm going to go into is the Côte d'Ivory shade. Somebody in the comments tell me how to say that because I know I probably sound dumb. And I'm going to work this right into my crease. So we're going to kind of pack it into the crease and then we'll blend it out, kind of like we did with the green. And I'm just taking this Wet n Wild like shadow brush. I'll slowly kind of just blend. And I'm not going to worry too much about the fallout right now because I know that there is some on my cheek there. We'll get it in a minute. I'm going to take that same brush that we used in the beginning with the green Niger shade on it. I'm going to take a little bit more on the brush and then we're just going to blend. Okay, so the next shade I'm going to go into is Bintu, and we're going to place this on the outer corner of my eye. And I'm just kind of using an angled brush to kind of help me get the outer corner. Okay, so now that I have that done, I'm actually going to go ahead and go in with a little bit of my Makeup Revolution concealer. And I'm going to do kind of like a half cut crease. Okay, so now that I have the concealer exactly where I want it to be, I'm going to go in with Fifi right here, and I'm going to place that everywhere that I put the concealer. It's going to kind of brighten everything up on the eye. I'm going to go in with this CoverGirl liquid eyeliner. Okay, so now that I have my liner on, we're going to go in with this Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara sample. So now for my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this Kokie Professionals Velvet Smooth Eyeliner, and this one is in bright blue. We're going to put this on my lower lash line. I think I already said that. Okay, and then to set it into place, I'm going to go in with the blue shade right here. We're going to take this kind of little thin flat defining brush, and I'm just going to push this right along where we put that liner. Okay, and then to kind of brighten everything further, we're going to go in with the Angelique shade, and I'm going to place this in my inner corner and on my brow bone. Then I'm going to go in with one of the Pat McGrath mini lipsticks that I got from Raven, and we're going to use Flush 3. I'm going to go ahead and apply this. Well, and there you have it. There's the final look. I did a very bold eye with a very bold lip, and I'm kind of loving it. You guys will have to let me know what you think down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please go check out Gimme Lip More's channel down below. Her channel as well as her video will be linked down below. And if you're from her channel, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by. Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. It does mean so much to me. Well, thank you again, and bye!